Okay guys, so this is going to be the third part of this series, how to carve a wood spirit for the basic beginner. So we got our center line from this point here, okay? So I'm just going to draw another center line on this nose just to be safe. So I go on each side and I figure where I find a good spot where I think the nostril would be. I just carve it on, put it on here. There's one, and I'll put one on. Try and make the nostrils the same size, guys. Sometimes it's tricky though. So I see this one's a lot bigger than this one, so I'm just going to go over here and it's like what I said in my other videos, it's always better to use a pencil. So I think that's pretty good, okay? So guys, to do this nose, I'm going to take my time, and I'm going to use this. This is a flame burr diamond bit. You guys can buy these on Amazon, eBay. You can buy them in kits. They come in different grits too, guys. This one, you can see it's hard to see, but you can see it's pretty aggressive flame burr. So lots of people use these for finishing and all that kind of stuff. And so I figure I'm going to take my time on this nose. This is when you really kind of need to take your time, in my opinion, is when you're shaping the nose. It's how I take my time, when I'm shaping the nose and doing the eyes. But so another thing too, guys, I repeated again, I'm running this Black & Decker RTX. I love this tool. It's got a hanger here. Somebody asked me in my last video, it's got a hanger. I hang it up, and it's hooked up to the Dremel flex shaft. So yes, it absolutely 100% fits. And guys, I'm an Amazon affiliate, so there'll be a link below where to get this tool. It's a very cheap tool. And I've been using this for 2 months. It's just working fine for me, and I haven't broke it yet. So, anyways, okay, let's get carving this and shaping this nose here. So just take your time, guys. So when I'm carving this nose, I'm going to cut on the outside of the lines, okay? Make these nose stick up higher, cut on the outside of the lines, and just feather all this stuff away. So you just keep on looking at both sides as you're working on it, and just make them try and equal as they can. Mine never look equal. And just enjoy it. And then later on, I'll undercut. Well, in this video, I'll undercut and show how I do my nostrils. That's with the Kutzall flame burr. Love these flame burrs, guys. All shapes and different sizes. All different companies make them. They're the best burrs, in my opinion, for multitasking different types of things. Okay guys, so here I am cutting one side of the nostril in. I always start at my worst side first. So the right hand side is always the worst for me, because then I could take my good side off the right side. You know what I mean? So here I am just lightly using my flame burr diamond bit, just slowly shaping it. The slower you shape it, the better shape you're gonna be able to give it, because you're not rushing it, you know. Like most of you see how much I rush all my other stuff. This piece I'm trying to kind of just slowly shape it. You guys really got to let these burrs, these diamond burrs, do the work too, because well, you'll dull these things really quick. These are basically made for carving stone. So yeah, I'm just shaping it. Don't think there's really too much I need to say, so. Like once I get it shaped kinda, I'm happy with, then I kind of go on, see how those nostrils are still square there at the ends, the cuts, then I just kind of round them off. Bringing the tip of the nose down a bit. There, I'm just kind of rounding them off a bit. There, see, I just hit it quick. Just take your time on the noses, guys. That's how you get better. Speed comes after. Okay, there you can see I somewhat got the nose shaped. I could bring this straighter, this bridge of the nose, like the hump there, bring it down more too, but I think that's all right so far. You see how the nose bridge comes below the eyebrows? So what I'm going to do now is I got my Kutzall burr, Kutzall flame burr. If you want to get these, go to the description below. You go to the link Kutzall, use code CFusion, save 5%. So I'm going to cut up and underneath these nostrils, guys. So this is the way I'm going to do it, okay? Up and under. So this one's a little bit too big to be using right now, but I'm going to chance it, okay? So, and because you don't want to leave this too wall on the outside of the nostril, you don't want to leave this too thin because it could just break off, and then he's got a huge flare in his nostril. So I cut up and under. Actually, what I'm going to do first is trim this mush down a bit, take it down a bit farther, so I got more room to carve the nostril, okay? So up and under, then shape. Put a little round shape in there, not much, okay? Okay guys, so this is when you're cutting against the grain, so really let the burr do the work here. Just let it slowly work it in there, because you're, like I said, you're cutting against the grain. Just slowly, this is full speed, just slowly cutting up and under. See it cutting in there? Now I'm just going to give it a little bit of a shape on the outside, just a little curve, not much. This guy's got a big honker. Just cleaning other things up. I'm going really soft on this, guys, right now. Just lightly touching it, cleaning it up, kind of shaping it. Okay guys, there you go. That's how I shaped the nose. You got both his nostrils cut in there. You guys remember, this is gum wood, so it's pretty hard wood, so you're seeing lots of burning in there. Got these little things beside the nose, those little, I don't know what kind of age lines, I guess. But you see how the nose kind of flares just a little bit, guys. He's got a pretty cool nose. I could trim this down if I wanted to, so his nose isn't like so pointy at the end here. But whatever, good enough. Okay, so nose is done. Let's get on to doing some eyes.